Hey, 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 sweethearts. Welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It is summertime still. If you're looking for a good summer crochet, stay tuned and I'll show you just how to get this done. Subscriber of the week goes to, and I surely thank you. All right, sweethearts, I took the liberty and did my hair last night to save some time, you guys, and to save tension from your hair. Please do it the night before. It really works and it matters. I got this hair from Amazon. As you can see, y'all know everything comes in these packages. You guys, it's the Jumpy Wand Jamaican Bounce Curl. That's what it is, Jumpy Wand. And what I love about it is it looks just like your natural hair. It feels like your natural hair. So I do recommend this. You guys, all of my products are going to be listed in the description box below. All these products are essential to my hair. I'm not putting too much and I'm not putting too little, but you don't want to overcrowd your hair because then you do want it to grow. So just be mindful when you are adding these products in your hair. You guys, since our hair is going to be locked in this crochet hairstyle, you do want your base and your scalp to be greased and oiled properly and thoroughly. Sweetheart, the only tool you're going to need is this one. That is it. You guys, I am checking this grease out. You guys, I've used it before and I believe it's working. This Baskin lather, oh my God, the feel of it. It feels like peppermint in my hair. It feels like it's growing as you're putting it on, I swear. But you guys, use this. I use it even on my daughter's hair as well, but it's a good product. You guys, you should check it out. I'm going to leave it in the description box below. You guys, remember, we're locking moisture in our hair, but good moisture, because we're going to be locking our hair up with these crochets. Okay, sweethearts, you guys can do what you want on the thickness and the volume of your hair. I like to separate these into like 2 or 3, just so it can be able to lock in better. It won't slip out. If it's too thick, then the knot will slip out and then you'll be, walking around and your hair will be falling out. But the thinner, the better. The tighter it'll be on your scalp and it will stay in there, will not slip out. Okay, to get started, we're going to insert the needle underneath your braid. We're going to pull your hair through. I'm not going to show you properly on this one, but you're still going to grab that piece and you're going to just wrap it around one time, pull it through, wrap it around, and then that's that. And I can show you better on this one as well. So when you pull it through, you're going to put the hair on the needle, you're going to clamp it, then you're going to hold that piece. You're going to pull that together, pull it through that, and then wrap that around one time and pull it through. You guys, simple as can be. What I'm trying to show you as far as that mirror, trying to get the back of your hair, you do need to see the back of your hair. You can't feel it forever. So get a mirror and try doing your hair. The outcome will be amazing. See how simple when you just pull that through, you just tying that little knot on there and it will stay. Why, look how long the hair is. If this hair was short, then you would probably might have to go smaller and then you do a couple double knots. So right now, just pulling it through that one time, wrapping it, pulling it through one time. That's all you need to do and it will stay secure, I promise. What I love about crochets is that it's simple. It's really, really easy and it's not too much on your scalp. You guys, you can even put this up in a ponytail when you're finished. I'm going to get to work and I'll be back here in a moment. Real quick, you guys could even leave it at this length if you want to. Just saying. Continuing with these, you guys, all we're going to do is when we get to the front is make the pieces really, really small and close together, and that's how we're going to finish the front part. So this is the challenging part of the hairstyle, is cutting it to your face, cutting it to your liking, making it, it could be a heart shape or an oval shape around your face, but you just got to be careful. You don't want to overcut, and make sure you're cutting downward, not side by side. What I like to do as far as my blend, I just comb my hair right on into it. I just grab a piece of my hair and just put it and grab another piece of the synthetic hair and I just twirl it together, you guys. When you're gelling it up or edge gelling it up. Just use the same edge gel that you use all the time. Now, I'm not gonna lie, to keep this hairstyle popping, every day you might have to pull and cut just a little something off, but that's pretty much all that you need to do throughout this hairstyle. This is a routine that I do every night. I put the scarf around my edges and then I put a bonnet around the top of it. That is it. That is all that we need to do for this beautiful short summer hairstyle. And these are the finished results, my sweethearts. This did not take long at all. I'm gonna give it 1 good hour, and that does not even involve the braids. You guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you, even if I don't know you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and most definitely subscribe. I'll see you guys next time.